waiting for Zomato order. इधर में 20 रुपये, हाँ, मिनिमम 25 रुपीज़ ऑर्डर मिलता है हमें. वेटिंग फॉर डिलीवरी. I'm going to 17th floor. This is the order which I have to deliver. I'm on the 17th floor right now. I have delivered the order. I have delivered the order. Now I'm going outside the apartment. I'm waiting for Zomato order. I'm going down with stairs because the lift is on the 17th floor. We will wait for the lift. The lift has come. This is a service lift for vendors. This lift is for vendors. Now I'm going outside. I have delivered the orders. Now I'm going out. I'm going to deliver another order. There are flat numbers. Now I'm going out. I am at Pizza Hut right now. I came to pick up the Zomato order. I am at Taco Bell right now. I'm waiting for Zomato order. We are waiting for online orders.
very noise.
I got an order from another restaurant. फोर नाइन थ्री जीरो यही है क्या? ठीक है, पिकअप कर देता हूँ. I have delivered the order. There was the customer location at the dealer shop. If you like the vlog, subscribe to my channel to see another new vlog.